I want to create videos to promote my business online, but I have no idea where to begin. Don't worry about that. I just put together a PDF of 16 types of video that sells, and this works for business owners and anybody trying to sell anything online. Tell me more. Well, when you click that link below, I'll show you examples of videos that I've posted in my business that have gotten thousands to even 1 million views organically without paid ads. Well, aren't you a smart cookie? Your mother must be proud of you. I try to do my best. And what's great is any type of business can bring in more leads and sales through video content. But can it work for me even if I have no idea what to write or what to say? Sure can. But don't you have to have all kinds of fancy equipment? Nope. But don't I have to practically sell my internal organs on the black market so that I have enough money to pay Mark Zuckerberg for paid advertisements? No, no, no. These types of videos work great even if you're doing organic marketing or paid ads. They work for both. But don't I practically have to shake my butt on TikTok just for me to get views? I mean, I don't mind. I've been practicing in front of the mirror. Nope, you don't gotta do that either. That doesn't sound too bad. It actually makes sense now. Then how do I get started? All you gotta do is click that link below to get my 16 types of video that sells for business owners and anybody that wants to sell anything online. You heard the girl. Click the link.